my woodies, it's me, Sunny. Today, we're gonna do some screwing with my brand new DeWALT 8-volt gyroscopic screwdriver. Now, this screwdriver is packed with an 8-volt battery, so it stays charged for you during all of your projects. It is equipped with a gyroscopic technology. This means if you pull the lever and turn your wrist to the right, the screw goes in. If you twist it to the left, you can pull out. Pretty cool. It has a adjustable torque setting, torque. So when you're screwing, you're not going to overdrive your screws, whether you're working on big projects like furniture or something small. Nobody likes an overworked piece of wood. Lastly, I want to go over some of the quick release bits that work in this bad boy. One I use the most is just for drilling holes. So this end goes right in. Drill some holes. You can also attach any of your regular bits. Say you've got a star bit, square, flathead, Phillips. Put them right in, and it works with your screwdriver. I can use my hex bit if I'm screwing in any size hex bolts. I can take my socket wrench adapter, stick it in, and attach any size socket to my screwdriver. When you're done screwing, don't forget to pull out and plug your battery in, just like that. I have one secret weapon left for you. I also picked up the Dremel attachment. So for all you foot lovers, stay tuned for my upcoming episode where I'm using my screwdriver to do my toes. Thank you guys so much for screwing with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. If you have any tool review requests, DIY requests, or you just want to see more content, hit me up in the DMs, and until then, have an amazing day.